There's a strange truth about being human. We spend our entire lives inside our own minds, yet we understand them far less than we think. Every day, we make thousands of decisions, feel emotions we can't fully explain, and judge others in ways we barely notice. Psychology isn't just something studied in textbooks. It's happening right now, in you, in me, in every silent thought we don't say out loud. Here are 5 remarkable psychological facts about human behavior, not to impress you, but to help you see yourself more clearly. 1. Your brain fills in reality without asking you. Look around you. You feel like you're seeing everything, but you're not. Your brain is constantly guessing. It fills in gaps, edits details, and smooths over reality to save energy. This is why optical illusions work, and why memories change over time. 2 people can witness the same moment and remember completely different stories, not because one is lying, but because the brain doesn't record life like a camera. It recreates it every single time. What you remember isn't the past. It's your brain's best version of it. 2. Loneliness triggers the same pain as physical injury. Loneliness isn't just emotional. Studies show social rejection activates the same brain regions as physical pain. Being ignored can hurt, literally. This is why a cold message can feel heavier than a harsh word. Why silence can scream louder than anger. Humans are wired to connect. For thousands of years, being alone meant danger, so your brain still reacts as if isolation is a threat. Loneliness doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means your mind is doing exactly what it evolved to do, begging you not to be alone. 3. The brain trusts familiar pain over unknown happiness. Here's something unsettling. The human brain often prefers familiar suffering over unfamiliar peace. This is why people stay in toxic relationships, why they cling to habits that hurt them, why change feels terrifying, even when it's good. Your brain values predictability more than happiness. Known pain feels safer than unknown freedom. But growth begins when you gently question that instinct. When you ask, is this comfortable? Or is it just familiar? 4. You judge yourself by intent, others by behavior. When you make a mistake, you explain it. I was tired. I didn't mean to. I had no choice. But when others mess up, you label them. They're lazy. They're selfish. That's just who they are. This is called the fundamental attribution error, a quiet bias that shapes conflict, misunderstanding, and judgment. Remembering this won't make you perfect, but it can make you kinder, because everyone you meet is fighting a context you cannot see. 5. Small acts of kindness. Rewire the brain. Kindness isn't just moral, it's neurological. Helping others releases dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, the same chemicals linked to happiness and trust. Your brain rewards compassion. Even small acts, listening, smiling, checking in, can lower stress and improve mental health. Here's the powerful part. You don't become kind because you're happy. You often become happy because you're kind. The brain changes through action, not intention. Human behavior isn't random. It's a delicate dance between biology, experience, fear, and hope. Understanding these truths doesn't make life simpler, but it makes it clearer. And maybe in that clarity, we learn to forgive ourselves a little more, understand others a little deeper, and move through the world with more patience than judgment. Because the most fascinating mystery you'll ever study is the one looking back at you in the mirror.